Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Numiere Timekeeper LED mask from Costco. So I decided to take a chance on this Costco LED mask because I'm curious about the red light therapy and I'm gonna try it out. I'll do a follow-up video once I've had some time to try it. This mask has about 252 reviews, 4.2 stars. So this mask has the red and the blue light. I will not be using the blue light. The blue light seems like it's for someone with a bunch of acne and it's supposed to kill bacteria. I've also read from the reviews that the blue light can leave spots on the skin, so I plan on staying away from the blue light. I got this in April of 2024. It's $199, basically $200. I got it for $173 after tax during their April sale, so they had like $40 off, so I decided to try it out. I saw a lot of people online were talking about it on Reddit too, so I thought I'd just do a video of unboxing it just in case it's helpful for someone to see the product. On the back of the box, it shows you the 3 different lights. It has the red LED light at 660 nanometers. It says it stimulates collagen production, reduces wrinkles, fine lines, increases elasticity, and reduces inflammation. It may also improve the appearance of scars and blemishes. Next, there's the blue LED light therapy at 410 nanometers, which sterilizes and kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation, improves skin tone and texture, reduces excessive oiliness, and increases skin oxygen. That's the one I plan on staying away from just based on the reviews. It seems a little more risky. The last one is the NIR light therapy at 850 nanometers. That one repairs the skin, accelerates skin metabolism, improves blood circulation, and increases skin moisture. The description on the back says it's a breakthrough in anti-aging skincare technology. Experience ultimate rejuvenation and nourishment for your skin with an ultralight mask that molds seamlessly to your face. It harnesses the power of collagen boosting LED therapy. Our mask targets different layers of the skin, revitalizing and re-strengthening them for a more youthful appearance. It supposedly kickstarts your skin's natural healing process, unveiling a radiant complexion as you effortlessly go about your day. So we'll see about that. So as you can see in the box, there's the flexible silicone face device, which is the Numiere Timekeeper mask. It also has a controller, a USB charging cord, 2 eye protectors, and a travel case. So there's 48 LED lights in here. This connects to your controller. So the controller is connected to your face mask, and that's how you control the light settings. So the manual says it has 144 optimized points of light. It says every millimeter of your skin receives the full benefits of LED wavelengths, ensuring optimal penetration and maximum results. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, once you put this on your face, the light will just diffuse and everything will be covered. So step 1, once you get your device and unpack it, you need to charge the controller. So once that's fully charged, then you can plug in the mask and do a patch test on your arm. So it says to place the face mask on your inner arm, press the on-off button until lights illuminate, allowing the device to run its full 10-minute treatment program. If your skin feels hot or uncomfortable at any time, immediately turn it off and remove it. After treatment, wait at least 6 hours. If redness or itchiness occurs on your inner arm, it may not be suitable for you. So that's pretty common procedure, is to do a patch test on your inner arm or behind your ear for even hair color. So that makes sense to me that they would suggest it. This device has a bunch of different connections to it. So you have the USB-C on the face mask, but then you have, I'm not sure what this is called, on the controller. So this is what connects to your controller. And this is the charging device for the controller. And then this is the plug, which is a USB that you need to plug in to charge it. It doesn't come with that, so you need to have your own charger to plug that into. And then you can see on the other end, it has the USB-C connector for the mask. So I'm not sure why they didn't just make that the charger and the connector. Okay, so while the controller is charging, I'm gonna set up the mask. It looks like it has a protective plastic on it that you just need to take off. The eye protectors sit inside, so you have to like put them in. So it kind of looks like that. And then that just creates a lift off the mask so that your eye isn't exposed to any of the lights. This mask says to use it at least 14 times to see an improvement. It says to use it about 4 to 5 times per week. I'm probably only going to do 4 times per week and I'll follow up then. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.